Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you why won't your device may not charge. So, the issue might be at first in your cable. Try changing your cable, different ones, different power adapters, and then try to charge your headphones. If it did help you, leave a comment, like and subscribe. If it didn't help you, you have to contact the device support. It's because either your port or cable may be broken. The hard reset won't work here, unfortunately. Unfortunately, you can try to clean the USB port, but you have to do it without any metal materials and with very tight materials. And that's it. Hope it helps and goodbye.